So the workshop operates through sponsor funding, sponsor support. Sponsors can include people, businesses, entrepreneurs, trade schools, church groups, associations, nonprofits, any organization that believes in the concept of the workshop. And as I've expressed before, that concept is we want to share knowledge and skills with people that need it, provided by people that have it, is the basic of this whole concept. And the idea would be we'd improve people's lives. But sponsors get community exposure. They get venues of video and projects that they can participate in. There's social media promotions that sponsors can take advantage of. So there's 3 levels of sponsorship: the bronze member, the silver associate, and the gold partner. So that's a little bit about the sponsorship. And again, we're about promoting people, promoting our businesses and schools and churches to the community, and providing a way for people to improve their lives, learn skills that they would really like to learn in a venue that can lead to trade schools and technical jobs and training as what used to be called blue collar. I just call trade skills or technical skills. It's a big deal these days, so I encourage you to look into being a sponsor at some level and cooperating with us. Thank you.